Currencies and currency pairs. Forex involves the buying and selling of currencies. It is traded in currency pairs. As an example, for euro-dollar, the base currency is the currency on the left. This is the euro. In USD JPY, the base currency is the US dollar. The currency on the right is termed the counter or the quote currency. In this particular example, it is the US dollar or the Japanese yen. Here are the 7 major currency pairs: euro-dollar, dollar-yen, dollar-CAD, dollar-Swiss, Kiwi dollar, Aussie dollar, and the pound dollar. You will notice there is one commonality between all 7 major currency pairs, and that is the presence of the US dollar. Here are the major crosses that most Forex traders trade: the euro-pound, the Aussie yen, the Kiwi CAD. The others are known as the exotic or the minor pass. Here are 2 examples: the US dollar versus the Thai baht, or the Aussie dollar versus the Singapore dollar.